morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong machine. Today I'll give you an introduction about our rotary crusher, which you can see that those two crusher is already sent to India. This crusher fitted with a 55 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this machine is 3 tons per hour. This rotary drum, the diameter is 2.2 meters. That means you can put your agriculture paddy straw bale, corn straw bale, wheat straw bale, diameter less than 2.2 meters or length less than 2.2 meters. You can put into our crusher. And this crusher, this drum plate, it's a frequency speed working. And you can adjust the speed of this plate to adjust the capacity for different size of straw bale. And at the bottom of this crusher, we fit with 2 meters belt conveyor for discharge purpose. And you can get 3 to 5 centimeters straw pieces. And inside the drum crusher, we fit with 102 pieces of cutting blade. So it can cut the big and heavy straw bale to small size and ready for grinding work and then make a pellet. Okay, everyone, if you have any interest in Rongze rotary crusher, please send your inquiry to our team. That's all for today's introduction about our crusher. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.